They finally meet after a gap of about 3 months, and in these 3 months, a breakthrough between the two parties on several issues has seemed increasingly unlikely. The PMLN has already set the pace with recent statements against the controversial National Reconciliation Ordinance. The PMLN leader may demand that the president scrap the 17th constitutional amendment, which empowers him to dismiss the government and appoint the services chiefs. But if Nawaz Sharif tries to use the NRO as a bargaining chip, President Zardari may increase the stakes.
The law is what the interpretation to this, to a particular piece of legislation is given, and the constitution is given by the Supreme Court of Pakistan. That is the law. So they will decide ultimately what is the legality, constitutionality of any piece of legislation.
Mr. Sharif seems to be under pressure from some internal and external players to support the government in the ongoing war against terror. Some insiders say President Zardari will seek the PMLN's backing for the renaming of the frontier province as Pakhtunkhwa, which the PMLN has always opposed. He may also once again invite the PMLN to join the federal government. President Zardari carries another card close to its chest, the lifting of ban on Nawaz Sharif to become the Prime Minister for the third time. Still, even if the outcome of the meeting is anybody's guess, it is a good omen.
Anything like meeting together is positive. And dialogue is better than deadlock. They will be talking to each other, they are meeting each other. It shows that there is space for each other. It shows that they're ready to talk to each other, to understand each other.
The meeting may be a test of nerves for both sides. While a breakthrough may be impossible, politics is after all the art of making the impossible possible. Shahzad Raza, Dawn News, Islamabad.